Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 mAh power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your go-to source for electric vehicle news and reviews. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're breaking down a mind-blowing story that's got everyone in the automotive world buzzing. Xiaomi, the Chinese tech giant known for its smartphones and smart home devices, has done the unthinkable. It's broken the Nurburgring record with its all-new SU7 Ultra electric production car. This isn't just any ordinary EV. It's a beast that's left even the most seasoned petrolheads in awe. According to Xiaomi, the SU7 Ultra boasts an astonishing acceleration of 0-62 mph in just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars on the market. And with its powerful electric motor, capable of producing over 1,000 horsepower, you can bet this car is going to put some serious speed in your rearview mirror. But what really sets the SU7 Ultra apart is its incredible top speed. A blistering 155 mph that's unheard of for an electric production car. And it's not just raw power. The SU7 Ultra also boasts impressive handling and agility, making it a joy to drive on both twisty roads and straight tracks. The Nürburgring record is no easy feat, folks. It takes a combination of incredible performance, clever engineering, and sheer determination to shave precious seconds off the lap time. And Xiaomi has clearly put in the hard work to make this happen. But how does it compare to other electric supercars on the market? Well, we've got some numbers to share with you. The Rimac C2, for example, is a highly regarded electric hypercar that boasts a top speed of 258 mph, significantly faster than the SU7 Ultra's 155 mph. However, when it comes to acceleration and overall driving experience, many experts believe the SU7 Ultra edges out its competitors. It's also worth noting that Xiaomi has promised to make this car available for purchase soon, which will undoubtedly get fans buzzing. That's all for now on ElectroDrive News. If you're as stoked about electric vehicles as we are, be sure to subscribe to our channel and join the conversation in the comments below.